Hey my dears, you will get where you came in a second. I just want to present the new setup where we can talk. It's pretty nice. I've learned from certain tutorials. I took the information from what I'm talking about in that video from these 3 or 4 YouTubers. It's like you can see my effects, and so I keep it quite transparent. So what I learned, you can learn too. So check them out. They also have made good work, and in that way I'm saying thank you for them. Link is in the description. At first I was tidying up my desk. Anyhow, the more you not have on your desk, the cleaner it looks like. Then we have 3-point lighting, and it was improving my scene completely. For instance, I can show you, or I introduce you the key light. So now we only have the hair light. No, I don't have a hair light. I just have a light besides. We don't have a hair light. A highlight would be come from behind a bit. We have our fill light, and our fill light is colorful right now. It's a low blue. We can turn this off. Now we just have shadows here, and that's the thing. We want to reduce that shadows, yes? And I mean, I could do this in a, turn it on, we make it more blue, and that was the problem I had before. Half our face is blue now. If we turn this to yellow or certain colors, this is quite hard. Almost the entire face, or the half of the face is blue. So here's the normal light, a little bit warmer, more orange. There are 3 types. We turn it on, and now we're disturbing our key light. So now we have here, here we have shadows, and actually this is the fill light. Completely too much. Go back to the blue, and the light blue is a bit too much. The red one also. Oh, no, it's changing colors. It's a mode. Well, actually I want to go back to my blue. Even very strong. Yeah. So now we have the green, even strong. And here we are back on the blue. It's too much, I don't like it. So we reduce it. But I don't only want to have shadows. I think this is pretty nice. We have a little light on our Osmo Pocket 3, but it's not loaded right now, so I can't show you that. And I really didn't know how can I record not only outside, where the weather has to be full of nice sunlight to get a nice shot. No, I just want to relax, sit down, drink a tea, and come into topics. Even when we play guitar, yes, we have to create a new scene. It's like I have to separate the camera on this side to see the, and I only have one, and I'm playing while this. Maybe one camera position is okay. Just like this, just a little bit lower, and that's it. Let's not extend it. And don't forget to subscribe, or visit me on Twitch, or visit me on Instagram. I really need that. Come on. Bye bye. It's called Big Wave Taya.